today's video, I will be getting ready to go out with my friend. So we're gonna have a cool makeup look with eyeshadow, and I'm not gonna use eyeliner this time for this video. First, we'll prep our skin and do moisturizing and everything. Now I'm gonna gel my brows and gonna keep them in place. Since I have a full brow, I don't need brow pencil, so I will just be using my gel for my brows. For this video, I'm going to be using a sample from IT or IT, if I'm not mistaken. I'm mixing two shades that they gave me, it's medium and light, to get the full color of my skin. And I will be using a brush, then I will mix it into my skin very well with my hands, because the warmth of your hand is just gonna make it go into your skin and give you a skin look. Concealer. I want my eyes to be a bit lifted, so I put them in an upward position. Then I will start fading them with my beauty blender. I usually use my concealer on my eyelids because I'm gonna use eyeshadow, and concealer gives it a lighter look, so I can use my eyeshadow in a way that they set. Then I will use my setting powder, then with this little cute powder puffs, I will do it under my eyes, around my nose, and also on my forehead and a bit on my eyelid, so my concealer sets good. Since my T-zone is a bit oily, I also put it on my forehead, as I said. Then I start pressing it into my skin and get the excess with the brush. R.E.M. eyeshadow, and as I showed you the colors, I'm going to use basic colors to just give a color to my eyelids, and then fade them with a fluffy brush. I'll be using tape to put it on my eyes, and with an angled brush, I'm going to use the darkest shade to put it on the corner of my eyes and fade it inwards, and also put a bit high in my eyelid. Then with a flat brush, I'm gonna pick the excess above my crease and also fade it in my eyes a bit. Then with another fluffy brush, I'm gonna use another color and put it on the middle of my eyes, and with a flat brush, a lighter shade on the inner corners. A sharp brush and use the darkest shade to just give myself an eyeliner look on my outer corners. Now I'm gonna do it on my other eye. the same process. This is how it looks. Then I'm gonna use a glittery color to put it again in my inner corner and put it nice and cute around my eyes. I also added a bit under my eyes because I like to give my eyes a bit of like pop of colors and pop of glitter. Then I'm gonna heat my lash curler and put it on my eyes. And my mascara is Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I'll be using R.E.M highlighter. Do it again on my inner corners. I love using highlighter on the inner corners. Blush on and also add more highlighter to my nose and my cheeks. After that, I'm gonna use my lipstick, and this is the finished look. I hope that y'all like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did this makeup, I wanna see it. Have a nice day. Bye.